Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna build Lego City 60314 and it has 317 pieces, ice cream truck, police chase. It has a colorful ice cream truck, a police car, and 2 ice cream group minifigures and a police minifigure. Now let's start to build this set. Here's the Lego ice cream truck police chase. First, let me show you the minifigures included. Crook Eyes holding a crowbar and Crook Green. And a police minifigure holding a handcuff and ATM. Here's the police car. This police vehicle has tire shredder dispenser. Let me show you how they work. Here's the colorful ice cream truck. I really like the colors. It has a splat launcher, can shoot splat elements. Let me show you how it works. Thank you again, Edward and Cynthia, BlocksBricks Lego, for this Lego set. Please check their social media accounts listed in the description. Now for the giveaway. Once I reach 3,000 subscribers, I will give away this Kylo Ren's Command Shutter Polybag. For the rules, like my Facebook page, link in the description. Last comment done. If you already follow all the rules, and I will verify, winner will be selected once I reach 3,000 subscribers via online name picker. Good luck to all. Thank you for watching my video. And remember, let our imagination works, enhance, build wonders. Bye guys!